and good morning, dear Volcano lovers. It's 6:30 in the morning, 1st of December. The volcano get very noisy and shooting like mad lava outside. We got the whole night multiple eruptions here from the volcano in Palma. Still a very intense eruption. The lava shooting more than 500 meters up in the sky, and we got during the night more than 90 sometimes heavy earthquakes. The hardest one 4.2. Intense what we have here, very intense. Few lava bombs flying about more than 1 kilometer away. How to say again, it's a devil's playgarden. They're really shooting a lot of lava, sometimes sonic booms. At the moment there are 6 fissures, 6 vents active and shooting material out. The front crater looks like sleeping. Is everything in the back. The black smoke you can see is a vent behind the top vent. There's another vent in this case, and it's shooting really mad. Yeah, our volcano is full of surprises, and it doesn't want to stop. Look at that. Oh wow. incredible picture. Really, wow.